Hey folks, and how's it going? So right now we're trying to load up the obstacle course. This is the empty maze that has been the bane of my life for some time. So we'll just start up Tosca. Hey, okay, it loaded in the background, that's cool. Running the latest and greatest 13.1 P2. First steps advanced Fleur Funk. Ooh, look at that. Subscribe. Fleur Funk 2. So, this is the one that has been causing the trouble. I don't need to run that, it just opens it up and it's running very slowly right now. But if we run this, clicks on generate, green, green, green. Doesn't do the last one. I don't know why, but it does it sometimes. So I got a very helpful video from one of the other subscribers, and basically this is what it looks like. Click on generate maze, and then this checkpoint, it's a list of them, so you can store it in a count variable, okay? And then you basically, you just iterate over, you iterate or you use repetitions to loop through this, and this is your actual checkpoint, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're using using an explicit name, so you say #1, #2, #3, #4. Move the mouse there and click, and actually do it by jumping, so you don't move outside of the lines. And that's an offset of where you want it to actually go to. If you look at the module, the clever thing about the module is that it has to have explicit name set. That's one of those parameters, a configuration parameter, and an asterisk on the actual ID of the checkpoint name. I put scrolling behavior none in there as well because I found it was jumping around quite a bit. Anyway, that's the end of a chapter on that video. Please subscribe and comment below if you have any idea of why the last one isn't actually, why it isn't actually getting checked. Cheers, bye, have a nice weekend.